I am now in São Carlos, a city that I decided to come to this morning. And the reason I chose this place is because of the fact when you look on a map, it was all by itself. It was there with nothing around it. And I thought, let's check this place out. So, what do I know about the place? Well, the thing I swung it was, it came up as the city of technology. And that swung it for me. I looked online for hostels, and there is a hostel. And it's cost me £8 a night. And without doubt, one of the best hostels I've been to for a long time. It's cheap, it's spacious, the beds look comfortable, big outdoor area, and I'll show you when I get back. So I thought I'd have a little walk around to see what this place is like, get a first impressions. So it is a university city. It's got two main universities. So there is a younger crowd, a big cafe culture, and just walking from the bus station to the hostel, really clean. So I was originally going to just stay for one night, but I've decided, why not do two? And everybody smiles, everybody's friendly, and I've only been here about half an hour. And because I'm here for 2 nights, that means I can go out tomorrow and do a full history, culture, food, everything on São Carlos. So the journey I took from São, which only took about an hour and a half, was this. It was simple. There's a lot of stops on the way, and there was only one bus company that was coming this way. So I did leave at 11:30 this morning, and already in the hostel there are people, students, so I feel a little bit older than usual, all speaking English, all want to know where I've been, very sociable, and that sort of pushed me to stay for another night as well. But all the apartment blocks are all, that's quite funky, all the colours, but all quite clean. I've hardly seen any graffiti. And because it is a university city, there's lots of bars as well. There's a load down there. But I am going to be sensible. I've not got long left before I'm on that flight back to UK. But you can imagine if you were in any other city, all these white walls will just be full of someone's painting. So I was talking to one of the girls in the hostel who's been accepted for university here, and she's just looking for accommodation at the moment. And she said the reason she chose this city is because it's very safe. And I think I'm getting towards the main streets. Well, it looks like a main street. Having looked at the map, the centre is about a 10-minute walk down that way, and I'm going to save that exciting part for the next video, which I'll do tomorrow. But I'm getting a very good vibe for the city. It feels functional. As I've said, it looks really clean. hardly any rubbish around. And yes, I am just wandering aimlessly. Now there is no parks around this area. I think I'm walking towards the university itself, which is that way. I thought I'd come back onto the main road. I didn't want to head towards the university, to be honest. Another bar. Right, I think I might head back to the hostel and then just give you a quick glimpse of what life is like in there for £8 a night. So I'm nearly at the hostel, just around the corner, and without giving too much away about the next video, but the reason that this place exists, and this is like all the cities around in the Paraná, São Paulo states, and it's because of the coffee boom. But this place is a bit more special. It's got more history to go with it. Now I'm not too sure if this is like the posh end. There's a lot of buildings getting built. I mean, there is a bit of rubbish around here. Maybe this is where the students are, without giving them a bad name. Right, which road do I take? Down here. And you can tell it's starting to get late because the sun's coming down. But that's where I'm staying, St. Charles Hostel. It is self-service to get in, so I need to get a code on. So the place itself is like a little maze. You got a little study area here. Got its own little pool table. Big massive mirror. The rooms are down there. Really good kitchen. And then down here. And the other thing that made me want to stay here for another night is the Wi-Fi is amazing. Hi.
Hola.
How are you doing? Are you okay? So this is the outside area. It's obviously washing day. Good. Right, I'll show you the rooms. And this is the rooms. Now there is one guy staying down there. I'm on the other side. I just dumped my stuff down there. And it's got a plug. It's got light. It's got mirrors everywhere. But yeah, it's a really good, well thought out hostel. I like it. And the steps that I keep forgetting are there. So I am now going to go to a shop, get some food, cook in that kitchen, have a chilled night, have an early night, and tomorrow, the next video, the whole city. But I think from what I've seen so far, São Carlos could be a hidden gem. But if you've enjoyed this video, it's a short one, then all you got to do is press that like button. If you want to see what's out there, then subscribe and watch the next video. But until the next time, bye bye for now.